Twitter's launching a Tor. Oh, you just had a Tor circle on the last one.
Yeah. I figured. Might connect.
A Tor service for more secure and private tweeting, an important and long-awaited step. Interesting. So protected tweeting. Does that mean it's encrypted? Twitter is launching a version of its site as a Tor Onion service, optimizing it for the privacy-protecting and censorship-evading network. Possibly the most important and long-awaited tweet that I've ever composed. Wow. It's a commitment from the platform to dealing with people who use Tor in an equitable fashion. Setting up an Onion address is a practical step which demonstrates that the platform is providing explicitly for the needs of people who use Tor. So I am delighted to announce, this is the tweet announcing the development. I guess this is about anonymity, or is this about not being able to track individuals?
I think a little bit of both.
Yeah, so it's encrypted. I guess it would be like, you can imagine sensitive scenarios, like ones that are going on in the world right now, and the ability to access social media or to broadcast your plight or to contribute really important information to the global conversation, and also to be protected in doing so to some extent.
Sure.
Tor encrypts web traffic, because also governments get involved.
They're checking.
Governments get involved.
It's like, where's that
track
origin
individuals?
tweet come from?
or even ask and make requests from Twitter directly to say, hey, you want to be in our country? Here's the rules. Tor encrypts web traffic and routes it through a series of servers to hide identifying information about users. It's a popular way to access sites that are subject to internet censorship. And that's made it particularly relevant since Russia's February invasion of Ukraine. Yeah, that's kind of where my head was going. Some internet service providers began censoring Tor itself in December 2021, but the Tor project told Vice that the actual level of blocking has varied and Russian users can still connect via Tor bridge. Cool. Yeah, I'm down for it. Sure.
All right.
I'm totally down for it.